Hello. So this is my first video and my first time doing acrylic pouring. And I got a bunch of things for Christmas. That's like the only thing I asked for because I've been watching a million videos on YouTube of all these people doing it. It looks amazing, it looks so fun, and I wanted to do something fun and artistic. So I asked for painting supplies. So I got this Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint Set. So these ones are ready mixed, which is cool because I don't really know how to mix them yet. So that's a good way to get started, I think. I have not used any of them yet. I have not done this. But I have bright blue, black, metallic white, turquoise, metallic silver, and crimson. I do have small canvases to start with, so I can't remember what size this is. I taped the back. I don't know if I saw someone do that, so I was like, I'll try it. Because then you maybe don't get paint on the back. I don't know if I care. These are just from the dollar store. And then I got some cups, so I'm not sure. I probably don't need very much paint for this. So I'm just going to pour a bunch of colors in. And then I think I'm going to try to do a flip cup because that seems like it might be the easiest. And I don't know how to do any techniques yet. Metallic white is very pretty. Looks sort of like pearlescent. Is that a word? I think so. And I should have put some paper towel or something somewhere. I have a little setup here with a table and some plastic over the table, and then I have this bin and then a garbage bag over the bin, and then some pieces of wood here so that the paint can flow off. Oh, I didn't fill my torch yet. I should go fill my torch actually. And maybe I'll get paper towel. I filled up my torch. I didn't do a ton of it in there, so I'm not sure. Hopefully it'll be enough and work. And then I got these pins off of Amazon, and I thought they were going to be bigger for putting on the backs of the canvas, but hopefully they'll do. So we're going to start with, I might do black first, I think. I don't know how much to do. I should have looked that up. And then maybe I'll do this, I'll alternate some colors. So we'll do this turquoisey color. And then maybe I'll do a metallic, so I'll do this silver, dark blue, red, or crimson I should say, and this white. So I feel like that might not be enough paint. Maybe I should I do another layer? Not sure. Probably should have put more in. I didn't really want to waste it. Or should I flip it and then pour more if I need it? I don't think that's going to cover. Okay, I'm going to put a bit more. I'll do another layer. I put the red next to the white, so that might make pink. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to, I know you can like turn the canvas, but I'm just going to plop this and see. And it will have to run down because I have a big cup and not tons of paint in it. And I lift it. Ooh. Oh, cool. Very cool. Camera turned off for some reason. I was showing you how cool this cup looks. Tilting. Wow, it's really pretty. No, goodbye paint. I got quite a bit of pink in here, but actually it's nice. And I guess it's muddied a bit because it's sort of gray, but it looks quite pretty actually. And this does not seem like enough paint for this canvas, even though the canvas is small, because it's not really going anywhere now. Okay, it is doing stuff, it's just taking its sweet time. I didn't think this would be that hard, but actually it's harder than I thought to make it look good. Okay, I'm kind of making a mess. Well, some of these sides aren't very covered. I do like parts of this. There's just not really enough paint. And I think I should have done the thing where people cover their corners first. This is fun though. I like this. Just have to learn some techniques. Apparently, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm wondering if I should do another flip cup. Like, just flip more paint on this, or maybe I can get it to tilt enough if I do this. I hope I'm not flinging paint everywhere. Here we go. I'm going to try tilting again. This may be done, but I'm putting more paint. Whatever. I can't get this part to actually go down enough. There's not enough paint. And I like this because that actually has like a definition of color. The other part's pretty with the swirls, but I did want to see more colors rather than it all be sort of blended together. So let's see what this does. Now I have blobs. I think I liked it better with the pretty swirls before I had these blobs. So you need to have lots of paper towel on hand, I would say. I'm just gonna, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. This is probably bad too. More paint, why not? So by doing this in multiple steps, I think it's actually worse than if I had just poured a lot of paint to begin with. I would have covered the canvas and I wouldn't have maybe wasted as much with the runoff rather than each time I'm doing this. Oh, see? Now there's paint on the canvas. Now that stuff is running. You need a lot more than I thought you did. I don't really want to lose this, so I saw someone do this before where you like cover the corner. Try that. To not lose all my paint. For some reason my camera keeps turning off, but I'm going to say this is done. I like this a lot better than I did the previous attempts. It looks very cool. There's a lot of, like this especially, this side here is very sparkly because it has all the silver and the white and everything. This doesn't have tons of sparkle, but that does. But it's cool. I feel like I have most of the colors here because I see black, turquoise, blue, red, silver, and white. So, cool. That one is done. That is my first pour. Well, multiple attempts, but final product of my first pour. So this is the dried result of the Artist Loft Ready Mixed Pouring Paint. This does not have any finish on it. It is just this shiny. I like this part here. It's not very bright out today. It's pretty dull, but this is just natural light. There's no lights on in here. So the colors are very vibrant. And I think I might just keep this one for myself, my first acrylic pour. I really like it. And it's just little. But yeah, I think I just might hang on to this one at least for a while. Thanks for watching.